Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to discuss Alchem Laboratories Q3 Financial 21 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results. Alchem Laboratories business is not dependent on seasons. That means we need to give importance for year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter. Here amount in millions. First we will check year-on-year. That means this year December results with last year December results, that is called year on year. Later quarter on quarter, that means September results with December results. First one is revenue from operations. Last year they got 2181 crores as revenue from operations. This year 2318 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here revenue was increased 6.2% year on year. Later other income. Other income was increased from 27 crores to 96 crores. Here approximately 69 crores was increased. We need to find the reason for other income. We'll go down. Here we have note 2. During the quarter ended 31st December 2020, the group has received net consideration of 351 millions. 351 millions means 35 crores towards assignment of trademark together with associated goodwill, business and commercial rights, and the same has been recognized under other income. Here they got 35 crores as other income. This income they added into here. So here other income was increased from 27 crores to 96 crores. Later expenses. First one is cost of material consumed. It was increased from 549 crores to 718 crores. Later purchase of stock in trade. Previous year 383 crores, this year 377 crores. Later changes in inventories. Previous year 98 crores was credited, this year 208 crores was credited. So we need to remember this point. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year they spent 395 crores for employees, this year 409 crores. Here 15 crores was increased, we'll ignore this one. Later finance cost. Previous year they paid 17 crores, this year they paid 13 crores as interest. Here interest was decreased, that means the debt was decreasing, that is positive point. Here they are paying only 13 crores as interest, that means they have very low debt. Later depreciation. It was increased from 59 crores to 69 crores. Later other expenses. It was decreased from 498 crores to 491 crores. What we understood from income and expenses. Here revenue from operations increased from 2181 crores to 2318 crores. But other income was increased from 27 crores to 96 crores. They have some extra 35 crores other income. So we need to consider that point. Later cost of material consumed increased from 549 crores to 718 crores. Here changes in inventories. Here 98 crores, but in December 208 crores. Later finance cost was decreased, that is positive side. Now profit before tax. Last year they got 404 crores, this year 543 crores. That means approximately 140 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit before tax was increased 34.3% year on year. Revenue was increased 6.2%, but profit before tax was increased 34%. Why means here other income increased, other one changes in inventories, so 208 crores credited. Due to these reasons, profit before tax was increased. Later tax expense. Current tax, previous year they paid 74 crores, this year 101 crores. Here 25 crores was increased. Later deferred tax, previous year 24 crores credited, this year 21 crores credited. We'll ignore this one. Here one more thing. Previous year 35 crores credited. Total how much amount they paid for tax? Previous year they paid 14 crores, this year 79 crores. Due to high tax, profit for the period was decreased. Here profit for the period. Previous year 38 crores, this year 46 crores. Here percentage is 18.9% year on year. If you see profit before tax, that is 34.3%, but profit after tax is 18.9% only. Why it was decreased means, here they paid high tax. Due to this one, they got less profits. Later, equity share capital. Previous year 23.9 crores, this year 23.9 crores. Here equity share capital is not changed. That means they did not dilute the equity. Later, earning per share. Previous year they got 31 rupees, 95 rupees for each share. This year 37 rupees 72 pies. Here 5.5 rupees was increased. This is positive sign. Now we'll compare quarter on quarter. Previous quarter they got 2362 crores. This year 2318 crores. Here revenue was decreased quarter on quarter. Here 1.8% quarter on quarter decreased. This is negative point. Later, profit before tax. Previous quarter 54.7 crores. This quarter 54.3 crores. Here similar. We'll see it in percentage. 0.7% quarter on quarter decreased. Later, profit for the period. Previous quarter 48 crores. This quarter 46 crores. So here profit for the period decreased. Why means, previous quarter they paid 66 crores as tax. This quarter 79 crores. Due to this one, profit for the period quarter on quarter decreased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 3.6% quarter on quarter decreased. What we understood based on this results is, here year on year 6.2% revenue was increased. Profit before tax was increased 34% due to other income and change in inventories. Later, profit after tax was 18.9% due to high tax. But if you check quarter on quarter, here revenue was decreased 1% and profit before tax 0.7% decreased, and profit after tax decreased 3.6% quarter on quarter. Now we'll see dividend. Here in February 2021, they announced 25 rupees as interim dividend, and August 2020 they declared 3 rupees. That means totally they paid 28 rupees as dividend in financial 2021. In previous year they paid 30 rupees. This year 28 rupees. This year 2 rupees dividend was decreased. This is negative sign. Now we will check valuation of Alkem Laboratories. Here PE before results is 24.4. PE after results is 22.9. That means here 1 point was decreased. This is positive sign. Pros are minimal debt, fair value based on previous year PE and 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 28. Current PE is 22.9. That means currently this is undervalued based on 3 years median PE. Cons are quarter on quarter results are not good. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.